Welcome to Utah. Life elevated. And I certainly have been climbing a bit to a higher elevation. Let me take a picture. This is the 7th state that I've been in this summer, that I've ridden in. And like most states, it's a big one. Most western states, well, actually most states, I guess, even in the Midwest. Like many of the other states, I'll be riding all the way through it, north to south. A few or at least Washington, I rode south to north and west to east. But I'm in Utah. All right. Now let's see if we can find a welcome center to get a map. It's a beautiful day. Interesting how the road changed right away. A different surface. Smoother. I'm interested to see how, if there's less tire, garbage from tires. But for now, not a lot of garbage and much smoother. Not as many rocks. It should make for longer rides. Being able to cover more miles per day if it stays this way. This lighter surface makes it easier to see the tire debris, which we have some coming up. Good to see you, Utah. Tack this hill a little bit. I think, well, the I-15 goes south all the way right to, I guess, towards Nevada, right at the southern tip or southern part of the state, which I believe would be 400 miles then, according to that mile marker back there. And then I don't recall how many miles it'll be from northern Arizona border to Phoenix. Safe travels.